In this video, we are going to show you how to turn an old phone into a remote recording server for security cameras, DVRs, and NVRs of any brand. We just turn the phone on, hide it somewhere safe, and it automatically saves all the recordings without us ever needing to press a single button. It saves every piece of footage until the storage is full, and then it automatically deletes the oldest videos to record new ones on top. This way, it acts just like the camera's memory card, recording 24/7 without stopping. If someone takes your camera away, or if your memory card fails, all your recordings are perfectly safe right inside this phone. And it is actually very simple. The first thing you need to have in your hands is the phone that will work as your recording server. It can be any old smartphone you have lying around. Next, we need to download an app called Termux. Now, don't download it from the official Play Store because that version is outdated and might fail. Instead, open your browser and go to the official website address shown on the screen right now. While downloading, your browser might show a warning stating that the file could be harmful. Don't worry at all. This is just a standard Android security message for files downloaded outside the store. Once downloaded, tap to install it. If Android blocks it, simply tap Settings and toggle the option to allow installations from unknown sources. When the installation finishes, open Termux and you will see a text-based command line interface. Don't be intimidated, it's very simple. Type the first line of code exactly as shown to grant Termux access to your phone's storage so it can save the video files. Press Enter, and when the system pop-up appears, tap Allow. Next, we need to update the internal packages. Type the update command and press Enter. During this process, the system might pause and ask you a few questions with Y or N options. Every time it asks, just press Enter to accept the default option. When that finishes, type the command to install Python and the FTP server framework. Our next step is running the server script. I have left the complete script ready for you in the description and in the pinned comment. You can download this file directly on your server phone or send it to your email to copy it easily. In Termux, type the command to open the Nano text editor, naming your file. Now, paste the copied script into the editor. To save it, press the Control key on your screen keyboard followed by the letter O. Then press Enter. To close the editor, press the Control key and the letter X. Now, we need to find your phone's internal IP address. You can find this in your phone's Wi-Fi settings or by typing the network command right here in Termux. Look for a sequence of numbers that looks like the example on the screen. Write it down because we will need to insert it into your camera configurations. Now, type the execution command to start your new FTP recording server. With the server running on the phone, it is time to configure your IP camera, DVR, or NVR. Remember, this method is compatible with any brand on the market, though the menus might look slightly different. Some cameras can be configured via a mobile app, while others require a computer. For this guide, we are using an ICSee IP camera configured on a PC using the VMS software. Open your camera settings, navigate to the network section, and click on FTP settings. Check the box to enable the FTP function. In the server address field, type the exact IP address of your server phone that you wrote down earlier. For the port, use 2121 as specified in our script. The username is admin, and the password is the one shown right here. Leave the other options as they are. Now, click the test button. If everything is configured correctly, you will see a success message. If you look at your phone screen, you will notice a new line of text appearing, showing that the camera successfully saved a test file in your storage folder. Next, Go to the alarm settings of your camera and enable the FTP upload option. This ensures that every time the camera detects motion, it instantly uploads the video clip to your hidden phone. Let's test it out. If you wave your hand in front of the camera, it detects the movement and immediately sends the footage to the phone. When we check the storage folder on the phone, we can see both the video recording and a snapshot image of the movement event. And as I mentioned before, this phone will keep recording continuously. When the storage fills up, it will erase the oldest files to make room for the new ones, ensuring it never stops protecting your home. We designed this tutorial to be as straightforward as possible so anyone can do it. But if you ran into any issues or need extra help, just drop a comment down below or reach out to our specialized support team, and we will guide you step by step. If this video helped you secure your home, please leave a like to support the channel. We have more smart security tricks coming up soon, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. God bless you, and see you in the next video.